team? What up, family? What up, world? Yo, so I'm doing this video real quick because I want to look at the markets right now. The market's alive, and I want to use this to follow up from what we just did Saturday. So let's just dive right into it. Go ahead and share my screen with you guys real quick. We already did the hit list. For those who don't have the hit list, here it is. Here it is. It is here in full effect. So let's see here. Here's their hit list. This right here is what's popping for the week. Everything in green is buys, aka calls. Everything in red is sells, aka puts. Really didn't dive much into the cryptos right now. We just did BTC. When we looked at Bitcoin, we seen that Bitcoin was in a downtrend, but it wasn't in position ready to trade right now because it's in between the zone. So what I want to do is look at what we marked up here and see if everything is lining up, how it's moving, so we can go ahead and execute these trades tonight during this Asian session. So we got EURUSD. We put it as a call. Right now, it's coming down. It's coming down to this area. It's not ready to enter this trade right now. So we're just going to be patient and we're going to wait. And the reason is because we want a better entry. This is on the 1 hour. You can go to the 4 hour. Obviously, it's going to be the exact same thing. You guys see on the 4 hour time frame, it's actually making higher highs on the 4 hour, but this is not what I'm looking for to enter. Let's go check the 15-minute real quick. 15 minutes telling us a different story. So if we get a little bit of pullback down to this area right here, I probably will enter this trade, use some other things to go ahead. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and add on. Let's add on our RSI real quick. See how strong this is. Then I will also add on the Stoke real quick, just to get another view. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so what I see right here, it's coming up to that 50 level, so it's not ready. We're gonna get some rejection here. But according to our stochastic, it's already made a small movement. Momentum is going up. But for me, I'm not ready to enter this trade yet. Let's go look at this. Let's go back to the 1 hour. So here, so we said this was a buy for the week. Actually broke right here. So right now, this is not ready. It's not time for us to get into this trade. So we're just going to be patient. We're in between these zones. We see that this candle came down and rejected right here, pushed back up. We already know what's going on. We already have a cross right here, letting us know that momentum is changing, starting to go back up. Our RSI is coming up as well. It's not ready. So we're just going to be patient. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful right here. We're not ready here. We're at the 50 line. We're going to get some rejection. It's not time to enter this trade right here, right now. So we're just going to be patient. Oh, bingo. All right. So it looks like we might have one here. AUD CAD. Everything's looking good. Waiting for a break there. Let's look at this 4 hour real quick. AUD CAD is showing something different right here on the higher time frame, but we will be in this trade for a longer time frame. So this is actually looking good for me. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. We'll get a little pullback, but AUD CAD is looking pretty solid for me, actually. Oh yeah, we got momentum here. Where's our blue? Where's our blue? Blue is still there. This is another one that's looking pretty solid, but I will wait for an entry. The reason I'm waiting for that entry because when I enter this trade, the only negative I want to see is what the broker's going to take. So when I enter this trade, I pretty much want to go straight into profit. Not liking this right here. Loving this right here. Loving this right here. So I'll dive in a little deeper to get a better analysis on this one. It's looking good. What was our other one? Was it AUD CAD? AUD CAD. Go ahead and mark this up too. Come back and look at that. This is not ready. Looking good, but not ready to enter for me. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. You guys can see that this is clearly below our 30. It's oversold. This right here is telling us that it's oversold. It's underneath the 20. It wants to make a move, but there's no strength. USD doesn't have enough strength right now for this. JPY is definitely dominating. So the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour looking good. Got a little divergence right here. We're going to see if we get some rejection here in this area right here. You see here. I will be marking this on myself as well. Let's look at AED-JPY. Oh my, bingo. AED-JPY looks really good. Scroll. Oh yeah, we can definitely get some pips during this Asian time frame. Got our price up here. We see what's going on right here. Got a little consolidation right here. Little support is actually right here, but the support looks like that it might actually turn into resistance. And then we have another peak right here, little peak right here, and then a touchdown there. So this is actually looking good as well. Go ahead and mark that. And USD Chef, what do we have? What do we have on USD Chef? Price, aqua, gray, got blue, still downtrend. We see how it respected this area. It had a couple breaks right here going to that gray. Not a big deal. I'm about to go ahead and actually mark up a couple of these. See what we got here. Interesting. Oh yeah, bingo. And we have another one. That's on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 4. Then my 15. Ooh. A couple pips here. So let me see here. Let's have a little fun on this one. Oh wow. I don't even know if this one's gonna be worth it. I just want to mark up something. I want to put this on and see my risk reward for this. Even if I was to enter here for my stop loss here, right there, that's pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I don't know about this one now. But all we can do, put this one in and see. Sheesh. Do we have the potential to get a 2-to-1 on this one? We know price loves to come back up there to the aqua. Had a major drop here. We got to fill that gap. Came back. We fill that gap up to about there. Had another major drop. We'll see. Thinking this can come back up and then come back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some trades in, and then we'll go from there. Just want to record this real quick so you guys can see what's going on, what we were looking at. I'm gonna go back and put my risk to reward on every single one of these that I've done. All these ones right here, because these are the ones I'm really thinking about hopping into right now. Here's another one. Actually, let me go ahead and do this right now. So I'm doing my risk to reward right here. Put everything for 2-to-1. Just gonna put it basically right here, right now, as if I'm entering this trade now, just to gauge it. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down 2-to-1. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is we liking this. Yes, sir. We are really liking this. The reason we're liking this because this is not going to take a lot for us to actually hit our TP on this one. This is beautiful. AED-JPY. All right, cool. Anyway, with that being said, y'all enjoy.
See blue. Let's go. TP, yeah, let's go. C blue. Let's go.